Hey, it is Jen Eden. I am back. If you've been with me a while, you know I'm the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method, 5-step anti-inflammation, anti-addiction protocol. For about 20 years now, I've been doing this. But here's the thing about today. Part of the work that I do in this anti-inflammation, anti-addiction world is movement, exercise. I like to say movement because I feel like when we think of exercise, I'm a child of the 80s. Like, I'm doing Jane Fonda. And really, with all due respect to Jane Fonda, no thank you anymore, Jane Fonda. And so, I always say this real quick. If you're tired of it, I'm sorry to hear it. If you love my stuff and you've never subscribed before, I'd love it if you did. There's a box, something down below this video, and it just allows you to stay in my community. And then you can hear me every Wednesday drop another bomb like I'm about to drop now. Okay, so with that said, hey Jen, I don't like to work out. I know it helps me control my sugar and my wine. I know it makes me feel good. I know it might get my arms to get in shape. I hear that one a lot. But I don't like to do it. And so I'm here to tell you, I hear you, I see you, and I don't think it's that you don't like to work out. I actually think, wait for it, you're probably exhausted and you're so tired, do you hear me? That you don't even have the energy to move your body. I would know because that happens to me often enough. And I'm like, ooh, I don't have it in me today. And while I love to work out, I do. I love to lift weights and like 25 minutes a day, not a lot, but I enjoy it. I know on days when I am tired and not energetic, I don't want to do it. And so I'm not tired all the time, but if you're tired all the time and your adrenals are blown and you're eating a lot of sugar and you're drinking wine, I just want you to know I see you, but it's not that you don't like working out. I'm guessing your body's exhausted and you need to rest. So number one, please rest. Okay. Number two, there's a small chance you don't like what you're doing. You're not a gym person, but you make yourself go. Well, you think you should go. Yes? Or you try to work out at home. I've tried that, but I really need to be around people. And so it's not that I don't like to work out, I just really don't like to do it at home. And if you're a homebody and you don't like to go to the gym and you think that you need to go there, well then just go find something at home that you enjoy. And if you don't like any of that, well, maybe you love to dance. Maybe you like just being out in nature, but you don't consider that a workout because you're taking a walk or you're on a hike and it's not very strenuous. And we've been brainwashed to think we need weights, we need to be an establishment, we need to pay a trainer, and that's working out. I'm here to tell you anything that gets your heart rate up is a workout. So I used to tell my clients that love salsa dancing, go dancing once a week. That is movement. Yes. If you enjoy yoga, not everybody does. I go through my periods where I don't want to touch it, but that is still movement. So please know, maybe you want to just stretch and consider yoga. You don't always have to do this CrossFit, this running a marathon, having to just run on a treadmill. Gag me. I don't like doing any of that stuff. But what I do like to do is move my body every day. And when I don't want to do weights, well, then I go for a hike with the dog. When I don't want to do that, I will spend a morning stretching. And that is my movement. All right. So number one, decide where you like to work out, have movement. And number two, you could just be very tired. And I'm telling you now, when you're not tired and you're doing things you enjoy, it doesn't have to be some like 90-minute cycling class. Oh my God, I've tried that. I'm just going to tell you now, I don't use the H word a lot. I hate exercise. Hate exercise. If you're telling me exercise looks like a cycling class, or Jen, go run 5 miles, I'm going to be like, no, thank you. So consider that. And please, I always say this, especially women 40s to 60s, we need movement. So try something that I've recommended and let's get your adrenals fixed if it is that you are very tired, all right? Because it does you no good to be working out and pushing yourself. It drains you more. And so hopefully this got to the root of why you're not having more movement. And let's go get some. And as always, I'll see you again soon.